Hello and welcome back to another episode of 3 Minute Tuesdays, where I give you some tips and tricks in under 3 minutes. Today, we'll be looking at how to get crystal clear stock. But first, a quick history lesson. Back in the 16th century, the French started clarifying stock or soup and called it consomme. This more or less translated to finished or consumed. It was used to imply that the finished product was more refined than what it started as, and quickly became popular on the menus of fine dining restaurants. It's even included in Escoffier's cookbook. However, the traditional method is quite labour intensive and as a result fetched a high price. This involves the addition of egg whites to the broth and letting it coagulate. The egg whites create a float of salts, catching the impurities and clarifying the stock. But, as the process usually takes a few hours, restaurants have opted not to include it on their menus. While the method we're using is not traditional, nor is this consomme, it can be used to create the same level of clarity without all the hard work. With that out the way, let's begin. Step 1. Make your stock. If you haven't already seen the previous video, I go through how to easily make your own at home, so go do that. Step 2. Make like Victor Freeze and chill. And by that I mean freeze the stock.
Cool party!
Step 3. Get your hands on a strainer and some cheesecloth. I guess any old shirt will work as well, but why would you do that? Place the frozen stock in it and let it thaw in the fridge. Now this can take about 1 to 2 days depending on how much stock you're thawing, so that gives you plenty of time to go watch my other videos. Step 4. Share the video and subscribe to the channel. Step 5. Well, there is no step 5, you're done. And there you have it, how to make clear stock. Now there are more tips and tricks over at the website, so do check that out. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.